Hi folks, this is John with Remodeling Wizards of Maryland. I'm here today at a home where we were called and a homeowner said, my water bill has gone up to $200 a month. I was only paying $45. There must be something wrong. There must be a leak somewhere. Well, what we did was we came into the house. First thing we did was we looked at the meter, and the meter was spinning and spinning. So we shut off the main. When we shut the main off, the meter stopped spinning. So then we thought there has to be a problem somewhere inside the house. First thing we did was we checked all of the faucets. We looked around the house, couldn't find a leak anywhere. And then finally we started to look at the toilets. This is pretty common. Toilets sometimes leak, you don't even know it, and you're just spending more and more money that's getting flushed down the toilet. So let me just show you what we found out. Here's a toilet that we found that looks like there was a problem. So first thing we did was take a look in here. And you notice when you look inside here, it's not making any noise, but you see ripples in the water. That's because water is getting down into the toilet. It's just draining through, and that's the leak. That seepage of water is going in there, and that's causing a bill to go from $45 to $200. So how are we going to fix that? What are we going to take a look at? Let me take a look here. I'm going to pull the lid off the back of the toilet, and the first thing I see is that the height of this water is way too high. You notice this pipe here? This is the overflow. So as the water gets deeper and deeper, it actually goes into that pipe and then down through the bowl. You'll notice all the way in the back here, there's a line. That's about how high the water should be, is where that line is. A couple ways to fix this. Number one, you can make an adjustment right here. If you turn this screw counterclockwise, it will make the water level go down. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to flush it down a little bit. Let it start to refill, and now that I turn that counterclockwise, the water should not be as deep. We want the water to be about an inch lower than the top of this valve. Hopefully you can hear me. An inch lower than that valve. So we're going to let that fill up. While that's filling up, let me just show you one other thing here. The other thing I always recommend, make the adjustment. That's fine. But at some point, change the flapper, this piece here, and also change the fill valve. This is a little different type. This is a little more, I guess, different technology, but they work the same way. So take a look here, back into the toilet, the back side of the toilet. This is the fill valve that we're going to replace because we want to make sure we have one that works properly. I'm going to adjust it for now so that it's good for now. And then down inside, you'll see the flapper. If that flapper is not in good shape, you might be able to, can you see the flapper all the way down in there? If that flapper is allowing water to seep through, that's another reason why you're going to be losing water, and it's going to cost you a lot of money. So I hope that gives you the information to help you out, save some money on your water bill. Thanks for listening, folks.